What is up guys, Danny this side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a QR code using Office 365 and OneDrive. So first off, head over to Google or any browser and then in the search bar type in Microsoft Accounts. After that, click on the first official website of Microsoft Accounts. After clicking, you will be redirected to this type of page of Microsoft accounts. So if you are new to Microsoft accounts, click on create a free account and then enter your email, password and other credentials to create your first free account of Microsoft accounts. But if you already have an account, click on sign in and then you will be automatically signed in into Microsoft accounts. Now, after signing in on the left side, you will see the square waffle-like icon which is the app launcher. Click on that and then click on OneDrive. When you click on OneDrive in a new tab, this type of dashboard will open. Similarly, if you don't have a OneDrive account, click on create a free account, or if you already have a OneDrive account, click on sign in, and then you will be automatically signed into OneDrive, and then you will be welcome to the homepage of OneDrive. Now from here on the left side, click on My Files, and let's say I want to generate a QR code of this file. So I'll just hover to it and then check it once, and when I am done, I'll just click on share. And when I click on share, multiple options will appear. Now, after coming to the share section, click on anyone with the link and edit, and then you will see a pop-up. When you see the anyone checked, you can just click on apply and then click on copy link. Don't click on send guys, click on copy link, and when the copying of the link is done, just cross this window and then in the new tab open a QR code generator. Now you can opt for multiple QR code generators, but I have chosen this one. So just log in or sign up on any of the QR code generator, which is free. And then as you can see, I have been into this QR code generator pro. I'll just click it here and then paste my website. And when I'm done, I'll just click on create. So it will create a new QR code for me. So as you can see in the QR code section, you have multiple designs to customize your QR code in another designs. And you can just set a frame if you want. You can change the design of your QR code, or you can upload a logo of this earth icon, scan me, or this normal scan me. Uh, let's say I'll click on this logo and then a logo will be uploaded to my design. As you can see, this is the scan me logo, but I don't want any logo. So I'll just click on this cross icon and then a normal QR code will be generated. You can change the designs, and if you want more designs, click on more options and then you can select more options from there. And if you want to choose the color of the QR code, you can change the color of the QR code too. And when you are done with the customization, you can just simply click on download and it will download it in your computer and then you can share it or access it or whatever you'd like. So this is how you can create a QR code. That was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.